Hello guys, welcome back. So now from this video we are going to design our splashy screen. And as you know guys, in the previous video we have created all these things here, and in the previous video we also created these two folders, one assets, one images. So now in this video we will create our splash screen, and in our splash screen we will need an image. So let's add an image in this folder, and I will provide you this image in your source file. You can download it and use it. Now let's open our folder and add image here. So this is our folder, and you will see in your folder this image when you will download it. I will provide you this image. So right click on this image, copy, come to the Android Studio and right click on this image and paste. Now click on OK. Now as you can see here, we have added this image. This is the image which we are going to use. Now let's create the file for splash screen. So right click on this lib, new, and dot file, and let's give the name splash screen. Make sure write all small letters. So press enter. Now let's import material dot, and now stateful visit, I mean stateful class. And here let's give the name splash screen. Now we have created this file splash screen, and now this file we have to pass in our main.dart. So come to the main.dart, and here in our previous video we passed this scaffold which we not required actually. So instead of this, let's pass our splash screen which we have created this. So over this, and make sure here this is the not this name, we have to pass this name splash screen class name, not this class name. So here let's pass this class splash screen and round, okay, and you will see this underlined red color. So it's an error, like because still we did not import this. So click on this anywhere here and you will see this red bulb here and import library. Now as you can see, error has gone, and add a const also. And here you will see above we have imported this file, this splash screen we have imported in our main.dart. So now let's design this splash screen. So here by default it's container, so let's give color of this container, colors dot orange, and the opacity will be 400. Now after this container, let's give a child, and child will be center widget, and inside this center widget we will give one child, and child will be of the center column. Why we are giving columns? Actually columns contains multiple children, like text widget, image widget, any widgets. So we want in the center, so let's make a main axis alignment, main axis alignment dot center, and also cross axis alignment, dot center. Now our image will be in the center, so let's add the image. So here image, sorry, children, and here inside the children let's write here visit, and inside this children let's add an image and assets image, and our image is inside this asset folders, and inside this assets folder we have one folder images, and then we have this file. You can just simply right click and copy, and after this here just simply paste it here instead of writing so many spellings like this. And you can see here, now after this let's write fit box fit dot cover, this one, so it will be fill all the area of our container. And here height will be 250 and width will be 250 also of this image, I mean. Now you will see this all error lines, it's not error, it's just saying add a const value. So click here on this anywhere, click on this line, green line, and add a const, as you can see here. And don't just remove right now because we have to add another widget also. So after image we have to add text widget, and text will be welcome to meal app. This is our meal app. And guys, we will use Google Fonts instead of download fonts and then add in pub specs yml and add in assets folder. It's a long process. Instead of this we will use directly Google font. So let's add a Google font. So for that we have to go Google. So go to Google and here write pub dev, and you will see this pub dev. Click on this first one. Now here write Google font, this one, and press enter. Now you will see this first one. Click on this first one, and now you will see here this installing. Click on it, and now below you will see this dependency. Copy it, come back to Android Studio and open your pub specs yml, this file pub specs, double click, and you will see here this Cupertino. So after this let's simply paste it here and then click on this pubget, and it will add the dependency of Google font so that we can use directly font in our this project. And it has been added. Let's click again one more time. Sometimes it's not work. And now as you can see, exit code 0, it has been added successfully. Close this, close this. Now we will use Google font. So after this, right here, style Google font dot Rancho. We will use Rancho font, it is good. And now text style will be, let's say font size will be 30, color will be white, colors dot white, and decoration, text decoration dot none, and then font style dot italic, and then font weight dot bold. Now you will see these lines, many lines, green lines. So click on this here line, any line here, and add a const modifier here before this image. And now click on this line here, this one, and you will see this bulb yellow. Click on it, add a const, and now as you can see all lines has gone. Now we have added our this text after this image, and now we have to create one function to jump another screen. I mean, we will display this screen 4 seconds or 5 seconds, whatever you want. Then after 4 seconds automatically we will send user to the another screen. So let's create it. So here after this, before this override, right here start timer. This is the function name, and inside this we will write timer, and after this we have to save duration, and after this seconds, how much second you want to show. Let's say 5 seconds, and then after this comma and this two bracket, right here async and two curly brackets, and after here in the end write semicolon. Now here after this screen, this splash screen on this image and text will display 5 seconds, and after that 5 seconds we will send user another screen. So here inside this function here we have to pass the screen which we want to send user. So here let's say navigator dot push context material, page root, and remove this builder and put two round bracket and save cons, and after this equal greater than, and here we have to pass the screen. So let's create the another screen where we want to send user after this 5 seconds. So right click on this lib, new, right click on this new and directory, and give the folder name here. This is our folder, okay, and here authenticate folder, press enter. Now we have here this folder as you can see. So right click on this and new and create a file, dot file. Now here we will say auth, authenticate screen, and press enter. Now here let's import material dot and stateful visit, and let's say authenticate screen like this. And here container, let's say colors, let's say give color any, this one, let's say black 26, and after this let's say child center and center visit, after this child text visit, and text will be welcome to meal app, style it like style, text style, font size 20, and colors dot white, decoration, text decoration dot none, and that's all. And click on this line, any line, green line, and add a const modifier. Now what will happen after this is 5 seconds, after this displaying image and text, we are sending user to the authenticate screen, and it will display this welcome to meal app. So now let's, okay, now everything is okay. Let's test the application, it's working or not. Sorry guys, I forget, sorry, we have forgot one thing here. We have to pass this first, this file, this class name authenticate screen, because still we did not pass. So here authenticate screen like this, and put semicolon, and let's click on it, import is import, and as you can see, now click again on this yellow bar, add a const like this. Now error has gone and we have imported this here as you can see. Now after this here we have to write init state, and after this super we have to pass this function start timer. That's all. Now let's test the application, it's working or not. So click on this run button, and as you can see we have here this, and now we are on this one. Let's change this color, come here authenticate, and instead of this black 26, let's say gray 400, or let's say 800, this one. And here let's say Splashy Screen, and here let's say after this bold, let's say letter spacing will be 4. Now click on this run icon and open your phone. Now as you can see we are on Splashy Screen, and after 5 seconds we will be another, as you can see now we are on. Let's click on again, run, Now for 5 seconds we will display our image, and this, as you can see now, after 5 seconds automatically we will go another, as you can see now. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.